These conversations were candid, they were challenging, even uncomfortable sometimes. I look forward to Chuck, David, and these men and women around the table for their candid and unvarnished advice on the quality and accuracy of our intelligence and the effectiveness of our intelligence community. Good afternoon, everybody. I've just finished a candid and productive meeting with the CEOs of 12 of our nation's largest financial institutions. President who about these issues. Occasionally they are a source of tension between, and I've personally relied on Carl's candid advice on this incredibly complex mission.
Then there have been issues, again, where we've had, again, to have some very candid conversations on Middle East peace. We have had a difference.
Mr. President, we are honored that you've chosen to spend your evening with us, and we look forward to a candid, productive, private discussion following your remarks.
We will resolve that leaders will be candid about the risks and about progress and have a plan to bring our troops home with honor. Thoughtful and thorough conversations on a whole range of bilateral and international issues. We had a very candid conversation.
Can you give us a candid update? Are we likely to go over the cliff?
Well, first of all, there's no reason why we.
So we had a very fruitful discussion with President Obama, and then I must say that I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to have a candid and frank discussion with President Obama.
而且我们的关系的重要性，从一方面就反映我们这一次非常不寻常的一种安排，因为我认为这样的一个会面给我们机会讨论范围广泛的问题，而且可以非正式的谈一谈，介绍我们对两国的一些想法和愿景，怎么样能够构建一个新形式的基于互利和互相尊重的基础上的国与国之间的合作关系。
I think both of us agree that continuous and candid and constructive conversation and communication is critically important to shaping our relationship. Be candid. Improving AGOA is not going to be enough.
This in a candid, open, and constructive spirit, we have come to agree on many issues.
We have conversations. They're candid, they're blunt. Oftentimes they're constructive. Where we've got differences, we should be candid about them. Try to manage those differences, but not sugarcoat them. The conversation I had with President Putin was on the margins of the plenary session, and it was a candid and constructive conversation, which characterizes my relationship with him.